Hey everybody, Cliff here. When we're at open houses, a lot of times people will ask us, is it financially better to buy a bigger house than a smaller house? How much house do we need and what should we lean toward? So I wanted to put some data together so you could take a look. So Cliff Parker here with this report. So I want to talk about two houses. The first one is home number one. This 2,048 square foot home was actually our family's first home in Mechanicsville. A starter home, little vinyl sided home. We didn't even have any kids. We thought 2,000 square feet was huge until the kids got big and it was time for us to move. And we bought it in 1997. Now, this other home is also in Hanover. It's 2,910 square feet. And this is a luxurious, beautiful home that was a lot nicer than our house than our starter home. And I know this home well because I helped the owners sell it. And just coincidentally, they also had their home built in 1997. Okay, so both of these homes were built in 1997. So our house, we purchased it for 140, and our friends purchased theirs for 188. So not much difference in dollar terms now, but I'm thinking that in 1997, that was a huge difference in price. Now, if we look into today's values, oh, by the way, please subscribe and like this video. I'd really appreciate it and help the videos out. So today in 2021, our old house is worth 308. I think we sold it in the twos about 11 years ago. And the value's really, gone up. And of course, our friend's home is now worth 418. So the compound annual growth rate over 24 years, 3.33 versus 3.38. So a little bit more growth in the larger home. I mean, that's the first takeaway, but also in terms of dollars, there's more dollars there. Now, if we look at this on a dollar per square foot basis, the smaller homes generally price out at a higher per square foot basis. This was 69 a foot, this was 65. It's selling for 150 now, the larger home for 144. So the larger homes are really selling at a discount, right? It's like going to Price Club or Costco because you're buying at a discount. If we look at this graphically, you can see the two homes were pretty close together back here in 1997. But today, I mean, it's a pretty wide gap. Now, obviously, over the years, prices appreciated rapidly. I think our home price from 140 went over $200,000, in the 2006 housing bust period. And then it fell back down and then it went back up. So, your housing prices don't move in a straight line. They're a market just like the stock market. So at any given time, the whole market of houses is going up and down. But just from this one example, when this is a good time period in our Central Virginia market, with similar type of homes built at a similar type point in time, this is a good representation. So what's the takeaway? So buying a larger home is discounted. It's like buying in bulk. And buying a larger home appreciates more. So from an investment standpoint, you're going to make more money. Sure, the bigger house, there's more to clean, heat, there's probably more grass to cut, carpet to replace, walls to paint, and of course your taxes. But then again, there's more room to live, play, and work and get away from your teenagers. So the takeaway is analyze the market carefully before buying or selling. Look at your finances. But with interest rates so low right now, it really is a great time to think about, hey, if you're going to live your life, why not live in the biggest house that you possibly can? It's a good investment. And I hope this answers that question and helps you make your decision. You can contact us anytime. Take care.